guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos or Bugs collection. This time it comes with a big old box, and it also comes with an Argentine Cockroach. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like Bichos, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Postes Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of good stuff guys. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, let's go ahead. Let's crawl into this. In the top it says discover the secret world of the bugs, and it shows that it also comes with little labels, which I'll show you in just a minute. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the box, and now it's time for an up-close look at the magazine. So guys, up at the top it has the title of the collection, Bichos or Bugs, and guys, this is none other than the Argentine Cockroach, which you can see there. Oh well guys, let's open this up. Here it gives a little description about this particular type of cockroach, its habitat, as well as other observations. And it points out different pieces, parts of this slide. And I will show you the slide that we got with our specimen in just a minute. And here we have the different scientific classification for this species. And here it talks about arañas de oro, or gold spiders. They look really cool. Pretty. Alright, let's open this up. Evidently in this particular species of spider, the females are giant. Here it shows you all of the pieces, parts of the spider, their legs, their eyes. And well guys, let's continue on. They like to live in the dark. Oh, and we have a special type that live here in Argentina, more toward the north. Which one do you guys like the best? But well, I kind of like this one the best. But you guys tell me what you guys think. Tell me down in the comments below which one you like the best. And here we can see some of their main habitats. And here it says, the world below ground. That is a really pretty spider. The art, the drawings in this collection are just really great. There we go. Spectacular traps. Their main predators are spiders, birds, and humans, because evidently the people like to eat them there where they live. Okay, I think I will stick to chicken. I don't know about you. And their main prey are butterflies, grasshoppers, and dragonflies. And well guys, let's continue on. And guys, tell me, do you guys like this collection? Tell me down in the comments below. I always look forward to hearing from you guys. And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like bugs, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, over here on this last page are the puzzles. And there's also a quiz. And well guys, that's the end of that. I'm just gonna flip this round. And well guys, now it's time to check out our brand new box and our brand new Argentine cockroach. Let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so here's the box. It's just like the other ones that we've unboxed. If you're interested in seeing what those were like, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And well, we have spots for, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bugs and 1 big bug. So that's pretty cool. And guys, if you open this up, you can see more clearly. The only thing that kind of stinks is that these are not very good. So if you try to open it all the way, you can risk to break it, which is kind of a bummer. But on the good side, the white part, this part, is like a crushed velvet material, and it's really nice. The only thing is that I've checked the box and everything, and even though on the box it said that it came with labels, there's no labels. I guess it'll come in another how do you say, another number. Well, so make sure to stay tuned, guys. And well, now it's time to check out our brand new Argentinian cockroach. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out our brand new Argentinian cockroach. He looks really cool. You can see his wings. His head there. There's his like front, his side. There's the back, the other side, and here's the underside. Well, he's pretty cool. I'm gonna put him now in the box. Let's see. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas for Argentina. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.